Hey guys, welcome to our math lesson today. Okay, got a dot card. How many dots do you see? 2 dots. Now watch what happens. I'm going to hide one of them. Now, if I have 2 dots and I take one away, how many are left? 1. How many dots on this card? 4. Now I'm going to hide one. If I have 4 dots and I hide one, how many are left? 3. Okay. How many dots on this card? 3. If I hide one of those dots, how many are left? 2. How many dots here? This is a whole 5 row. Ooh, I got email. If I had one of these dots, how many are left? 4. Hey guys, you're up on the ceiling. All right, we are going to be using a number line. I got a number line on the floor and we're going to do some problems with it, okay? So let me step over here. I'm going to start here and I'm going to step 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am on the 5. Now, I want to do an addition math problem. So which way am I going to go? Am I going to go this way or this way? If I'm doing addition, I'm going to go that way. So I'm going to go 3 more spaces. 1, 2, 3. Now, where do I end up? I end up on the 8, okay? Let me get a little number board here, and let's write that. If I started on 5, and then I added 3 more steps, then I ended on 8. And what's the number sentence? 5 plus 3 equals 8. All right, now let me go back to the 8 again, and I'm going to do a subtraction number sentence. If I'm doing subtraction, which way am I going? This way or this way? Subtraction goes this way, so I'm going to go 3 places, take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. Where did I stop on? I stopped on 9, the same place as before. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Started at 8. I took 3 away. And I stopped on 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay? Now, let's do a number sentence. Let's pretend there are 4 pigeons on the sidewalk. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm on 4. Okay? And then 5 more pigeons came and flew down and joined them. So I'm going to go 5 more spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice that when I'm adding or subtracting, I'm not looking at the numbers. I'm only counting the spaces that I'm making. Where did I end up? At the 9. So let's make a number sentence out of that. Started at 4, there were 4 pigeons, and then 5 more came. 4 plus 5 equals 9. There were 9 pigeons in all. Okay, let's go back to those 9 pigeons. And now, let's pretend that 5 of them flew away. Once again, I'm not going to look at the numbers. I'm only counting the spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And where did I end up? I'm at 4 again, aren't I? Okay, let's take a look at this number sentence. This time we started with 9, and then 5 flew away, and that leaves me with 4. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Did you notice that when we added 4 and then we added 5, we ended with 9, and then we took 9 and took 5 away, we ended with 4. We've used the same numbers each time. Okay, here's a new problem. We've got a boy named David. He likes to collect pine cones. So let's jump over here, and let's say David has 6 pine cones. Now I don't want to start at 1, because if I start at 1 and count out 6 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that takes me to 7. That's bad. That gets me the wrong number. So I start off of the number line, and I start counting his pine cones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. David has 6 pine cones. Now, let's pretend that David finds no more pine cones. He gets 0 more. Should I take a step? No. He didn't go anywhere. Let's look at this number sentence. It's different from ones that we've done before. He started with 6 pine cones, and he found plus 0 more. Well, what happens if you have 6 and you get 0 more? The number stays the same. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Now let's look at one more thing. If I start at 6, and let's say that he goes home and he has dropped 0 pine cones. That means it's minus, take away. But how many do we take away? We take away 0. So, should I move? No. I stay right here on 6. And so what am I saying with subtraction? Watch this. 6 pine cones, take away 0 pine cones. That equals 6. He still has 6 pine cones. 6 minus 0 equals 6. How do you like that? All right, here's your worksheets for math today. You notice that we have a number line just like the one that I had on the floor. Remember when you count your number lines that you start here with 1. For example, this story says Freddie has 3 strawberries for a snack. His dad gave him 2 more strawberries. How many strawberries does Freddie have now? Do you see that they've set it up as an addition problem? We count 3 strawberries, 1, 2, 3, and then he counted 2 more. 1, 2. How many strawberries does he have now? Freddie has 5. Okay, we're going to finish the rest of the problems on this page the same way, using the number line to be able to write a number sentence, a number path, they call it here. On the back, it's the same way. You have a number path, and you're going to count out following the problems there. Have somebody help you read them. There's some addition and subtraction problems with 0, just like we worked with today. Okay? And then these 2 here are going to be zeros as well, so read them carefully. All right? Now let's take a look at this worksheet here. It's a little bit tricky. All right. In this fluency worksheet that you're going to work on, it says imagine more to add to 5 and write the addition sentence in the box. So not like the last one we did where we drew more to make 5. you're going to imagine how many more you need to make 5, and then you're going to write a number sentence in the box. Let's look at this first one. There are 4 dots. How many more do you need to make 5? 1 more. So instead of drawing another one, you're going to write 4 plus 1 equals 5. Probably have to squeeze on that one. And this one down here I can see you're going to have. But for the others, there's lots of space for you to write those number sentences. So not drawing dots, number sentences. Okay, that's it for math today. Have a great time. I'll see you in news.